Hello and welcome again. In the last video, we talked about the plant bus and field bus. We explained both types of communication networks and we differentiated between these two buses as well. In today's video, we will be talking about the terminal bus and how it fits in a typical DCS architecture. Let me recall it for a while. A plant bus is a communication network that communicates various operator stations to the field controllers, while the field bus connects the sensors, actuators, and various field devices to the plant controllers. Terminal bus in a typical DCS hierarchy is one step above. It connects various operator station servers to the operator station clients. Engineering station is also one of the components of the terminal bus. So let me redefine it. Terminal bus is a top-level communication network in a typical DCS architecture that connects engineering station, operator station servers, and operator station clients. The purpose of the terminal bus is to enable the operators to visualize the process, to look into the process parameters, and send commands to the various equipments. The data from the various sensors gets to the operator station servers where it is visualized. Those parameters are served to the operator station clients. The plant operators sit in front of those operator stations and they visualize the process. They look into the process parameters like temperature, pressure, vibration, or amperes of any electric motor, for example. They then send various commands to the various electrical devices, for example, an electrical motor, to switch on and off an electric wall, etc. The operator is enabled to visualize the process, to look into the process parameters and then send various commands to the plant equipments through operator station client. And that operator station client is the component of terminal bus. Let me draw it for you. These were the operator station servers we have explained previously, which is the component of plant bus as well. But let me tell you, operator station servers are the components of terminal bus as well. So it is a sort of a common point or common node in plant bus and terminal bus as well. Over here, there is an Ethernet switch. Since it is a top-level communication network of a DCS architecture, well, the communication media is an industrial Ethernet. The industrial Ethernet using TCP/IP enables the communication between these operator station servers and operator station clients. So this is the main server, this is the redundant server. Also, we have an engineering station. In the engineering station, we have various configurations of the DCS. We have a software where we can configure the components of the DCS. We can make PLC programs, and then we can download that program to a specific PLC, for example, PLC 1 in this case. We can modify the PLC program, we can modify the logic, and we can also update the graphics of the plant. Well, as we understand that the visualization of process takes place in operator station servers. So those graphical pages or HMIs are being designed, developed, and updated in this engineering station node of the DCS. We have operator station clients over here, OS client 1, OS client 2, up to OS client N. We can have as many AS clients as required by the process. Well, typically they are from 4 to 7 operator station clients in a typical DCS architecture, which is used for monitoring and control the process. OS client. All these clients are connected to this Ethernet switch, making it a star topology. Anyways, This communication network that enables the communication between clients, operator station servers, is what we call a terminal bus. And typically it uses the communication media of industrial Ethernet using TCP/IP to exchange data between clients and servers. And in the architecture of DCS, it is the top level communication network. We can also have some additional layers over this communication network, but in a typical DCS architecture, it is the top level. We can have PMIS, Plant Management Information System, and we can have Manufacturing Execution System as additional layers in a DCS architecture. But to keep it simple, we will call it as the top level communication network of a DCS architecture. Well, the mid level is the plant bus, which enables the data communication between the operator station servers and plant controllers, while field bus enables the data communication between controllers in various field devices like sensors, actuators, VFDs, and distributed IOs. So that was the brief introduction of a terminal bus. In a semantic PCS7 DCS, which is the process control system designed by Siemens, well, it has the semantic PCs used for operator station servers, redundant server, operator station clients, and engineering station. Semantic rack PCs. Well, we can also call it as semantic industrial PCs, and there are various models for it, which is not the subject of this video. However, it was the definition of a terminal bus. And the purpose of this terminal bus, as I talked about, is the monitoring and control of the process. Well, all these operator station clients are located in a central control room, CCR. The operators sit in front of those operator station clients. They monitor the process, they control the process, look into the various parameters, and whenever they feel necessary, they send commands to the various field devices. Engineering station is used for the modification of the project, logic modification, update of graphical pages. Well, the graphical pages that are visualized by the operators, well, they can be modified through this engineering station, which is used for the configuration and reconfiguration of the project. There's about a terminal bus, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video about the DCS essentials.